Hey guys, we got. Oh shit. Wait, let me see it. What did? Oh,
It's recording.
It's not. That ain't. It's recording.
Say hey, Tristan.
Hi. Hey, my name is Ryan. I'm gonna be famous one day. That dude's hair was gay. Really gay. He had black hair in the back. He looked like a girl or a faggot. Something like that. Say, make sure you.